There you go.
Alright, today we want to talk about the new Motorola X. This is one of the droids that are out there. We're currently using Verizon for this particular example, but we wanted to show you some of the great functionality that the Schneider Corporation has with their Beacon website. So today we're going to search for some real estate information using the Schneider Corporation's Beacon web portal. So we'll go ahead and launch our browser. We've already got Beacon set as our home page, and one thing nice about the Motorola is you can once you shift your device, it turns sideways. You get a nice landscape view. You can also zoom in, zoom out, pan around on this particular thing. So the Droid X is very nice in this case. So in this case I'm going to jump through and I'm going to go in. I'm going to search through Indiana. I'm also going to go ahead and say which county I want to look through. So I've got a long list of communities I could look through. In this particular case I'm going to go ahead and go into Hancock County. I can go by property search or I can view by map, and then I'm just going to go ahead and enter their site. So with that said, it pops open. Now you see here I've got a lot of different information on the screen. I've got the ability to search by name, address, neighborhood number, parcel ID. I also have the ability to look at my map, do comparable searches, look at some results tab, look at the actual property report, check their soil summaries, things like that are all listed in there. Basically everything you would see on your traditional website is still sitting here. So in this case here I also have with this pan, I just zoom my fingers in, zoom them out, pan around on this particular device. So if I want to, let's say I want to zoom into an area, so I'm going to go in here. I can see where I got map, comp search, all those. I'm just going to search by name. So in this case here we'll do Hancock. Hit and go. It's going to go out to the assessor and auditor's database, in this case the CAMA system and the tax roll data, and it's going to pull back a list of those. So we've got all those in the database are all listed here. I can also turn this sideways. Gives me a longer list of them, you see there. It's also going out and it's grabbing any properties that have photos. So if the assessor's office has taken a photo of a piece of ground, then that photo will be made available right here. So I can also then go into the property record card and look for more information. So look at this particular property. We've got the photo of the property right here. So it's obviously just a little block building. But I've also got some summary information about this particular property that I can look at. So let me see here. So I've got the parcel ID, where it's located at, who owns it, taxing district, site, land information, farm information. Everything you're used to seeing in your tax rolls are all here. Taxes and then some additional information about there. As well as, scroll back up here, I can go to the map. So with this particular example I'm going to zoom in here, go to the map. So it's going to launch out, it's going to open up the map, so then I'm getting access to all the county's GIS data. So real quick, that quick, I was able to see it, got my property, I've got the other owners in the community if I want to go to that, as well as then I can do all the tools too. So if I wanted to say, show me everybody that lives within a certain distance of that particular property, so maybe I had to do a notification of some people. So let's say I want to know all the property that is within 300 feet of that particular parcel. Buffer that. So what I'm going to do is go out and create that buffer for me. That quickly. These are all the properties within 300 feet of that particular asset. And then over here is a list of them. So as you can see, it's pretty easy to use the new Droid X with Beacon. Hope you enjoyed the show.